And yeah, I'm back just playing some more Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Gonna do some of the arenas, despite what I said last time, because I don't have a ton of time to play right now, so I'm just gonna get a little bit of some short stuff done.
You've gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
I may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties of building a Dimensionator.
Alright,
Sure.
Bronze, prove your
We all knew it wasn't
worthiness.
gonna be easy.
Yes.
Oh, that was a
but
boss fight
Phase
for that second one.
Quartz
So
is
Boomstick Blast.
one of
Defeat
the
25 goons using
rarest
only the
minerals in
Enforcer.
the universe.
Can do.
Right.
Tonight, little Zircon will put Rivet to the ultimate test. How will be fair? Battling with only an Enforcer!
Can I jump back over? Oh, I guess that can get destroyed. Alright. Oh, that's right. I've got the dash. I'm fine.
that one.
Not on a time limit or anything, am I? I just have to kill 25 goons. Oh, I gotta... Woo! Seems like I can just knock them. Oh, flying guys. Alright. Oh, and that too. Okay. I think I can knock them into the lava? I think? But these are jetpack guys. They just seem to die once their jetpacks are gone, so that's not gonna happen. And I'm out of ammo. Where? There's some ammo. Oh! Oh! Oh, they don't get knocked over into the lava. I need some more ammo for that before I go over to these guys. I heard a sound out of my controller. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if this is a good idea. Yep, out of ammo. That's life. There we go. So 3 more guys. One more guy. There we go. Time trial. Finish the Speedle course quickly. That's the that's those little beetle things I ride. This should be easy enough. Oh. Just holding right Or R1.
How is little Zircon meant to run an arena of doom with no ability to control the Vector? And finally, little Zircon ushers our champion to the bone melting, face-searing, acid swamps of Sargasso! A change is made to my plans of doom.
Man, it's crazy. It's a little weird. Some of those dimensional things are a little weird. You can see like the level load in the background. Otherwise, it's pretty impressive. Still don't know what these gold bolts are for. In the past games, they've been for costumes, so... Undead Gunther. Probably do that.
In squillion years, she ruled as queen of the swamps. Give a fiendish welcome to Sue! Right. She is queen of our arena.
I did just upgrade all of my stuff, so there should be
Serious about protecting her kingdom.
pretty good.
Wait! Skeletal sin? Sharks? I swear I've had nightmares about these.
It's that one. Oh yeah, I got this. I haven't used it yet. Seems to be doing fairly good. Achievement! Oh, is level 5 the max level? Cool. Does not seem... Oh, I can get more bolts if I do the mission again. And I can get some of that. I'm good.
So, if your Zircon, Zerky, is non-violent, what
Sorry, one sec. You gotten a little quiet back there. Everything okay?
Wait.
may have slightly misrepresented the difficulties
just
of
interrupt the
building a
conversation.
Dimensionator.
We're a little like...
Sure.
Oh, 1
We all
second.
knew it wasn't gonna be
Hold
easy.
on.
Yes, but phase quartz is
One of the rarest minerals in the universe. Right.
Alright. We are gonna go to... Let's see. Found the Minotaur blueprints.
Let's hope Ratchet
Hunt for
finds our
Lombax's
prophet soon.
lore. Find the missing chief. Chef? Honey Red has yet to return in order to power. Help Trudy.
I haven't forgotten about you, Trudy.
Trudy. Oh, I see. There's things on the side. The dimensional blueprints. Find phase quartz. I'm gonna do this
Bet
one.
Ratchet's got everything handled right now.
Just gonna let me play as Ratchet again. Yeah, okay.
If I knew how to build a Dimensionator, where would I be?
Oh, this game looks so good. And it runs at 60 FPS, which I don't know why anybody would ever play it not at 60 FPS.
You know good merchandise when you see it.
I've got 6 of this stuff. I might as well just add this.
That is one mighty
And then
fine
shots travel
enhancement.
faster. Increase rate of fire with rapid fire mode.
Upgrades ready.
So get the lightning rod. Increase max ammo. Increase stun duration. Mr. Fungi. Deploy 2 fungi at once. Yes, please. We'll go for that.
Tell your friends now.
Hey, yeah, weird question. You wouldn't happen to know anything about building a Dimensionator, would you?
Ratchet? Ratchet! Gary! Your reputation precedes you. You'll need to go to the interdimensional archives. My apprentice can help you. But,
Town under attack?
how did you know?
I'll go check it out. I think I still remember how to stop an invasion. So I'm guessing these nefarious guys are looking for a Lombax?
Well, yes, that did tip me off that you'd be coming. Good luck, Ratchet.
Oh yeah, I was gonna turn on subtitles. Subtitles on. Cool.
That building just beyond the town. It must be the archives. A flying sniper bot? That's a new one.
It was not my fault that the Lombax got away.
Do I shoot this thing? Yeah, shoot this thing.
I should be serving the Emperor, but instead my humble colleagues put me on perimeter duty.
You jerk.
An intruder! Something fun!
Alright. Do Mr. Fungi. Take care of these guys along with Sprinkler. How do I... Oh yeah, there we go. Throw my wrench. It kind of sucks that you have to keep looking at your map though to see if there's anything you're missing. Kind of defeats the purpose of like visually seeing things, but you know, it's all right. It's all right.
Has the Lomax been located yet?
No, the town is emptier than the Resistance's promises.
Intruder! What a pleasant surprise!
Wonder if I throw it. Oh yeah, that should be good. Throwing sprinkler down. Another fungi. Ooh. Oh. I keep hearing like a little explosion in my controller. And I don't know what it means. I thought it meant that my ammo was out, but maybe it's just fun noises. I don't know.
Another town saved. Now about those archives.
Oh, but let me pause and then also mark the stuff on my map that I have to get. Oh, how am I gonna get there? There is a jump mushroom right there. Oh, I thought I had it. There we go.
His apprentice is at the archives.
Okay. And we'll get this one as well, which is down below. Ooh, do I just... Oh yeah, there we go. And then just press the start menu, see if I missed anything. Nope, nothing. Cool. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, but it's fine.
Whoa! Hey!
So embarrassing.
You all right? That was quite the landing.
Who are you?
Sorry, you look so familiar. I'm Ratchet. I'm here to find, I think it was Gary's apprentice. I need to build a Dimensionator.
Oh dear. Well, there's little I can do, seeing as my archives are walking away. How do I get back up there?
Oh, you're his apprentice. Maybe we could work together?
I do not make a great partner.
How about this? If things go badly, which they won't, we go our separate ways. No questions asked. Team?
Sure. Team. For now.
Let me just...
In order to
Put you
reach
on
the
my
archives,
back.
We must rescue the monks from Nefarious's forces.
Oh, I just get these?
Here. These hover boots will help us travel across the mesa quickly.
I'll need
Kind
to
of a
speed up to
weird,
make
just drop
off that
them in
bridge.
there, but sure. Wait, is this? Oh, that's weird. It follows whichever way you're pointing the analog stick. That was a
We will need help
big open area.
from the monks, Gary's acolytes, to reach the archives. They should be in their temples.
First stop, temples.
Alright, and I'll
Hey,
do...
I never caught your name.
Oh, I am KT7461.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Oh, that's cool. Like that.
There are 3 temples nearby. The Mountain Temple, the Primeval Forest Temple, and the Temple de Badlands. We call it the Badlands Temple.
The Badlands. Yeah, before I just start on all this, I think I'm good to go. This is cool though. I'm good though. See you next time when I want to randomly play some Ratchet and Clank and talk into a microphone. All right.